Let's understand here something called as watch mode. So we have seen how to compile a TypeScript file into the JavaScript, but every time we are doing this particular compilation manually. So how we can automate that? So for that, there is a facility given by the TypeScript compiler that is something called as watch mode. So here is our TS file where we are writing hi from the TypeScript file, and I first need to compile it, and I need to mention which particular file I want to compile. Out of that, the JavaScript file will come up, and then we are attaching it to the HTML, and then we can see our output, this one. But let's say now I'm changing here something called updated. Let's save it. And if I want to go here and check, it will not give me the updated JavaScript because I have to again do a compilation here. Then if I go here and check, it will be an updated one. So how we can automate this process? So for this, we can say watch, or the short form is only W. So now it started in the watch mode, and let me just again just update here like update one. Let's refresh the window. Yes, it's update one. Let me just do update two, and you can see as soon as I'm doing a save, let me do it from here instead of keyboard save. You can observe my terminal here. So save. It's doing the quick compilation here, and if I just refresh my page, I'm getting an updated output, and constantly this particular JavaScript code is getting is coming out of our TypeScript file. The compilation is happening automatically due to this particular watch mode. Now here, let's say we are adding one more TypeScript file. So in that, we are having one more issue here. What is that? Let's say I'm adding one more file here called validations.ts, and let me just mention here hi from validation ts file. Okay, and I'm just closing this particular watch mode. How to close that? Control C. Okay, so now I also want to attach that particular file validations over here as well. So validations. So right now I don't have any particular validations file. Yeah, the JavaScript file. I need to compile my TypeScript code. Let's do that. Okay, now let's see the output. We should get both the previous one and the current one. Hi from the TypeScript file, the previous one, and hi from the validation. Let me just make it more clear. Hi from script file and hi from the validation TS file. Okay, I need to again do a compilation for this one. Getting both of this, hi from the script and hi from the validation. Now the problem over here is we can just apply the watch mode at a time only on one file. We can't apply on the two over here. If I apply the watch mode on script.ts here, let's say updated one, let's save it, see the outcome. Yes, we are getting, but on the same moment, if I go to my validation ts file and mention here updated one, no, it is not getting updated. We have to again manually compile. So the problem over here is we can just compile at a time only one file with the watch mode that we are using. So in the next lecture, we'll see how to create a complete project with the TypeScript, which will help us to compile whole TypeScript project, all the files present in that, and have a complete project compiled at a time.